At 8:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 14 miles south of Jamestown and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include La Follette, Huntsville, Jacksboro, High Point, Deer Lodge, Sunbright, Bravee, Elgin, Slicker Rock, Rosedale, Norma, Smoky Junction, Royal Blue, Caryville, Disney, Lake City, Fincastle, and Norris. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Friday evening for southwest North Carolina and East Tennessee and southwest Virginia. The National Weather Service in Morristown